My name is Colin Higgins. Welcome to my Fortnite course. Now, I began my competitive gaming career way back in 2014 competing at MLG Anaheim and Call of Duty Ghost and accumulating well over 1,000 pro points on the season. Shortly after, I got into H1Z1, which I played for well over a year and a half, and 8 short months ago I jumped into Fortnite. Now, as you guys know, Fortnite is a little bit different. There's a little bit more game mechanics, and building is a huge complexity that I want to help teach to you guys so you can compete with that top 5% of Fortnite players worldwide. Now, another great way to learn is to watch streamers. I am personally a streamer myself, and you'll find the links at the very end of this course. Now, go ahead and enjoy. We need to jump in and optimize some settings. So Fortnite can be played on mobile, PS4, Xbox, or the PC, but regardless, all your settings are going to be the same. So let's minimize my screen on down, and we're gonna open up Fortnite and let's optimize your settings for success.